So today I'm going to do another mod. It's pretty easy. I've seen you guys do it in your cars, and one of you, I forget who mentioned it to me, but I asked where you guys got it and you guys gave me a link to it. So big shout out to you. Sorry, I forgot who it was, but I wanted something to flow with carbon fiber pedal shifters here I got. So I picked up these right here. You can see it there. Supposedly it's real carbon fiber, looks like it. And they're gel coat that goes in the spaces here. If you remember, I had the vinyl, just the gloss black vinyl. A lot of you guys said you didn't like it because it showed the texture through it. So I ripped that off. Then I had the emblem that you kind of stick over that. Well, that fell off. Never had much success with those things. I could probably put better tape on it if I really wanted, but I thought this looked really good. Like I said, I saw it online, and it just flows really well with this. And all you do, I've already cleaned this up. I use a little Windex to strip any oils off of here. It just goes in between. And I guess these are for like the newer Civic, is how it's listed on eBay. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested. But I guess they're the exact same size. I haven't even opened them to look at it yet, but it looks like it's the same size. So all you do is, of course, peel and stick. Very basic. So let me go ahead and open these up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's one of the pieces. Looks really nice. 3M tape. Pretty sure these are going to be universal as far as the side pieces go, but it's going to look like that. Maybe this one, let's see. Yeah, like that. So very basic. Then you got, let's see, this piece here. Gonna go right in there. So it looks like it should line up really good once you pull that tape off the back here. Should be perfect with lined up. And then the bottom piece is pretty small here. It's right there. It just goes in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the back off these. Again, very basic, peel and stick. You just want to line it up, of course, because if you have to unpeel it, it's not going to be as sticky. So I think the key to this is just stripping this down of any oils. So if you guys like use some, let's say 303, I do that. Over this, I use Windex, this has always been good. You can use alcohol to strip this plastic, because I mean the 303 will leave it a little slick. So we'll go ahead and install that and I'll show you guys the finished product. So guys, here it is. Looks really sharp, I think. And it flows really nice with the paddle shifters. Fits really good. You can see a little thickness of it, but it is a thick gel coat, so that's gonna happen, but I think it looks really good. It's not that expensive. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested in it, but flows really good. I think it looks really good with that. Supposedly it's real carbon fiber, but I don't know, but it does look real. So I just want to share that with you guys. If you like it, pick one up. Definitely gives the steering wheel a little bit better look. Okay, hope everyone's doing good. I'll catch you guys next time.